So right here, when I use this quadrant, I know you see a lot of guys just hit origin there and then scroll it. I'll do it. Origin, and then see, just do it like that. And then, go in your offset and offset it. That's one way of doing it. But let's learn a different way. This is a learning class. So I was very disappointed with last week when I put out this video here and nobody watched it. This was a very good video. It had a lot of good information, good editing, but nobody watched it, nobody cared, and I spent a lot of time doing it. So, what can I do? So that's why you haven't seen me put any videos, because what's the point if you guys are not going to watch? Alright, so this is the video to show my appreciation for all you guys that didn't watch it. This is what you get. Oh, nuts and bolts. Oh, nuts. How many nuts do you have? Are you a nut or are you a bolt head? You guys have big nuts or do you have little nuts? Let me know in the comments. Hey there, there's no horseplay in the shop. Hey, stop! Stop it! Turn it off! Turn it off! If you want me to make new videos, please watch the videos I put up there. It helps us both out. Thank you.